Nice artwork. Wow, this is beautiful. Nice paintings. Oh, lots stacked over here.
Art gallery.
It's an art gallery, as you can see, a lot of artwork that has been done already, ready for shipping.
Yeah.
If you want.
When it's like this, we take out from this.
Okay.
We remove from this.
And then just fold it and then you pass.
And you put it in the tube. Now we can ship it.
You can ship it.
When you reach home, you can frame
and put in a frame.
Yes.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yes.
That's good.
Hakuna matata.
Don't worry.
Yes.
The people will understand that.
Yes.
How much the arts here go for?
They're all different artists, independent artists.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, different price. Like behind you, that's a lion.
Okay, that lion.
The big lion.
Yeah, that lion.
That will go for, in dollars, we go for $480.
$480. Okay.
Yes. When you come here, we have this one.
This.
That magic you see, which will go for $650.
Okay.
That's dollars, yeah?
Yeah, that's dollars for sure.
We have like this artist.
This
is the best artist we have is called Double, which is piece like this go for $650.
Yeah, that's
when a big piece like that one from the Dr. Mukwe, that's it with no animals.
Yeah, the animals.
Like that one will go for $2,600.
Wow. That's good artwork. This painting is top notch.
We have the migration.
This one is the same artist?
Yes. One of the best artists you have Kenya.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the migration.
His name is there, Geoffrey
Mugwa.
Geoffrey Mugwa.
Yeah.
Alright. As you do enjoy the video, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next video.
Hello. Say hi to my brother.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, yes.
That is it for now, guys. Until then, see you in the next video. Subscribe.